We're funded by the UK government to produce new biomass crops. We're using Miscanthus, which is a high biomass grass, and we have a big collection of different types here at Aberystwyth. For example, this Miscanthus has many stems, but they're thin and weak. This one is taller and has much thicker stems, but there are only a few of them. And what we'd really like is to make a blend of the best characteristics of these different types. A bit like this one. It has more stems, they're thicker, and it's much taller. So this is clearly going to fix more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere into biomass that we can then use. But to fix carbon, we also need water and nutrients from the soil. Biomass is to some extent a form of hydropower, and this is where the Watbio project comes in. We've taken a range of Miscanthus from these sites across Asia. We've grown these Miscanthus in a new facility that allows us to precisely control the water a plant receives. Growth is monitored from images, so we can identify the plants that can keep growing and keep producing biomass under water stress. We've then taken some of these plants and looked at them in a new facility that allows us to better control and measure the growing environment, but it allows plants to grow in a way that is more similar to conditions in the field. We have lots of sensors here that measure water in the large volume of substrate. We have flow meters to measure how much water is added over the season. We can image roots through these tubes to see how the roots grow, and sensors to measure the water pressure in the leaf. You can see different responses in the plants. Some grow slowly and are very resistant to water stress. Others grow fast and are more sensitive. We also have some that produce lots of biomass but tolerate stress and use the available water efficiently. One day we'd like to be growing these Miscanthus out there. But this is reality. We have large fields of Miscanthus growing. We're developing new varieties, but also making sure the agronomy is right and that the market is developing. We harvest the plants every spring and then leave them to regrow year after year, producing the biomass we need. We can burn Miscanthus to produce heat and power. We can embed that carbon in a range of products, such as in a building made of Miscanthus bales. Or we can use it for a whole range of things from horse bedding to car parts. With the help of funding from the UK government and projects like Watbio, we're producing efficient, sustainable biomass for the new bioeconomy, and that's no bad thing.